What's good, traders? Welcome to today's live stream. It is Tuesday, beginning of a new month, beginning of a new quarter. We're day trading Nasdaq at New York Open. We're going to have to dive in here real quick because the market opens up here in a couple of minutes. It's Josepreneur, your guest. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share to a friend or family that's interested in this niche. Whether you're here to learn, trade along, or just vibe with the chaos, make sure you chat down below. All right, let's dive back into this Nasdaq here. Nasdaq overnight made its way back down to the 750 fair value gap that we were chasing yesterday. We had a FOMO yesterday chasing this fair value gap. It's okay. New day, new bread, new month. Took in 0 trades today. Looking to take at least a couple scalps during here. New York Open. See some bear bull flags play out. There we go. We're about to be opening up here in about 40 seconds. Drop them questions down below. Share this stream with anybody interested in this niche. I'm giving free sauce here. Every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 open. We're hitting a strong pivot point here at 800s. Looking to push up here right at open. See what it gives us. Open. Looking to push up, like I said here, right at open. Only about 20-point move to the upside here. If we get above 830, I'm going to push above to get to finish up at 850. That's my move I'm seeing with this chop of price action we're getting right here. Market is just open, so just be patient. Hitting a strong pivot point, holding its levels here at 800. Could break it here. Holding its levels here at 800, just moves right back up to the upside. 10 points. Slow price action, but let's see, we have some news coming out right at open, so that was good. Jerome Powell speaking for the open, and then we have news coming out at 9:45 with job openings at 10 a.m. and manufacturing PMI at 10 a.m. So, what to expect? A lot of previous was 48.5 million for the PMI. Forecast is 48.8. So, expect it to go up a little more. So, just a little correction in the market here. If we get to these points up here to 820s, rejecting. Just target 823. Oh, I need to go. Kill Celsius. We're still just waiting here. Getting tight here.
Order filled.
We're in bias here.
Order filled.
Not a good buy.
Order filled. Order filled.
One minute is ranging right now. Opening range is ranging right now in the 800s. It's gonna break out here to the upside here. Looking to. Down $11 for the day. We're gonna call it the stream locked out for the day. We're gonna go over see what price action can give us right at open. Wasn't too much, but breaking the day I call it. No bull flag is really playing out too heavy here at open. I see one coming into effect before pre-market here, and it rallied just for the same equivalent for New York, for 21 points. So I do see a rejection here coming down to downside around 10 a.m., 11 a.m. to fill this fair value gap down to the 740s, potentially even go below 500s for a 300, 400 point drop game. But we'll see how it does. It's a new quarter, new month. Usually third quarter is one of the worst months in the year for numbers. So a lot of sellers do come in. Not too many buying opportunities do come into effect, but obviously these are indices, so there's always going to be an opportunity, even if it's not during New York session. It could be during London session, it could be during Asian session. There's always going to be an opportunity for bull flags, bear flags to be playing out in this region. Still holding up here at the 800s. The first 8-minute range of open has been very choppy. So we'll see how it reacts to this fair value gap up here to the upside. To reject it down below. We're in a small range here. But a pushback for the day on Nasdaq and all the indices here. We do have news coming out here at 9:45 at 10 a.m. Sellers are still neutral, same with buyers. I'm just over here hitting some putts over here, practicing for my 9 for the day. Nasdaq is neutral. Sellers are still active. Push down to the 750 VWAP here. If you're in this trade, make sure you tap that like button for promo. There we go. Hit 5 putts. Oh yeah. Sellers are breaking off this trend line here, still going down the Nasdaq. Beautiful sell side. As anticipated, sellers are breaking out of this zone here, waiting for action from the bids. Sellers are in here coming down. Back. Sellers are in here. Downside. Let's need some music for the rest of this stream. Holy shit. That's how I broke my got my PC to cut. I gotta stop doing that shit. Let's get some tunes back on. Tones, and watch the price action. That's in here making a Did have a double. We're down $11 for the day. I ain't stressing about shit twice. We followed my strategy. Follow the plan. We were 1 and 2 for the day. If we would have waited for this trade, we would have made money. Full flag. Going back to the upside here in Nasdaq. Back in this 1 minute range at opening. Either we break out this range here today to continue to go up for the bulls, possibly go into 30,000s, possibly go into 30,000s. If not, we're going to break back down downside for our sell side. Here we go. Nasdaq's breaking out of this range. Gold flag occurred here. Breaking out here at this 1 minute range finally. Made a little downside here on Tuesday. I've seen this Tuesday before. Still had to wait for that bull flag around 9:47. That bull flag came, so that was all me. I put too much risk on not knowing that it was gonna fucking put too many orders in. I realistically only put 2 trades on, but I put 2 minis on each trade, so each trade would have consisted of 3. Rejecting this trend line that we have here on the hourly time frame. Heavy. That would be goodbye for just a quick second. Tuesday is very choppy today.
Shop 4th of July savings at the Home Depot right now.
On the hourly time frame where we're injecting off these pivot points at 8:35. Just some small volume here on Tuesday around New York. Not going to complain. We have a small paper cut. We're going to come back in tomorrow, same mindset. Should have waited till 9:45 most definitely for this beautiful bull flag that occurred. I'm going to start waiting for bull flags with candlesticks that occurred during New York Open. This was a candlestick that had occurred during previous New York Open. That's why I took it. Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Great. Big, big pivot point here. That's crazy. Bull flag played out rapidly here. I was on my phone. I didn't even see how the thing was fucking finished. I drew this bull flag. It moved 30 points in a matter of 15 seconds. Bread making money stick right there. We're gonna hop off here. Make sure you guys tune in tomorrow at 9:30. Share this with a friend, family that follows this niche, and tune in. Make sure you guys use code JPH 80% off Apex funding challenges. Top one future challenges. I do have a code, but it's too long, so I'm gonna get it shortened up here in a couple of days here for top one futures for straight to funded accounts. Tune in tomorrow.